All right, guys, we are here on a maintenance. Previous company said that they need a new system, so we're just checking things out. She's a 3-ton unit. Filter up in the ceiling inside on a stand, and looks like she's 2016, I believe. Yeah, 2015, but 2016 install. Take you out to the condenser. Coil looks dirty, but I got my outdoor air probe there, and it's looking okay. We're within the green range here, so let's see what Measure Quick says. Might be a little undercharged, but otherwise, you need a new one? I don't know. Throw a little juice in there and see how she does, but I don't know what it is with these guys. Pushing for new system sales. Let the homeowner think about it, you know? Catch you guys on the next one.